everyone, welcome back to another YouTube video, and in this video I'll be showing you guys how to export Gemini images in HD without a watermark on iPhone. Gemini can generate amazing AI images, but here's how to save them in full quality. Step number 1, open the Gemini app and then just tap on the create image option, and then let's say type your prompt, let's say create a, now send it, and there you go. Now once Gemini generates your result, tap the image thumbnail to view it full screen, then tap the three dots or share icon in the corner, choose save to photos, and then this exports the highest version Gemini gives you, no watermark. And now go check your iPhone's photo app, tap the image and swipe up to see the resolution's details. Your image is now watermark free and in HD, ready to be shared on Instagram, TikTok, or whichever app you want. And important notice is that Gemini does not add watermarks by default, unlike some other AI apps. If you're seeing one, it may be from a screenshot or a third-party editor you use. Now HD export quality can vary by reason. Google is still rolling out higher res downloads. Quick fix: if you still get lower quality, try Gemini inside image photos, magic editor. Edits saved there usually export a higher resolution. Then that's it. Subscribe for more quick